Hi guys, in today's video we're going to see what happens if I put a block of soap in the microwave. Have a look. We don't know, but let's have a look. And do we have in here? We need a small plate. No. Perfect. Now let's have a look. While we're waiting, we'll just do stuff. What should we do while we're waiting? Just bring that out. This from the soap thing. Shouldn't take long. Should only take about a couple of minutes. I'm doing it. Oh my god, guys, I can smell it. It smells awful. I can smell it burning. Oh. I don't know what to do. It is... Oh my god, it's definitely blowing up. Oh my god, guys, it's bad. It smells horrible. Oh, we've got 30 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. What's happened? Oh my god, it's broken off. Oh frick. Ow, I burnt my finger. Damn. Oh, that's just my brother.
Hello.
Yeah. I'm gonna ask my brother something. Stanley.
Yeah.
His name's called Stanley. Can you give me a hand?
Sure.
Should be okay. My brother's just gonna get it out.
Safety first.
It is very hot. It's okay, Stan. You got mittens on. They're meant for the oven. I don't know what's happened. Come on, Stan. You can do it. It's okay. You got it.
Water. We need water.
Oh my god, water. Look at that, guys.
Oh, it stinks.
I know it stings. Look at that, guys. That's amazing. Oh my god. There's still some in the microwave. Get it. Come on, Stan. Stan, come on.
No, I'm gonna get that.
Okay. It's burned. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and press the bell. And even comment. Thank you, guys. Subscribe!